2017 Chevy Corvette. Go ahead. This is what it sounds like before. We're going to do a muffler delete on it. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2017 Chevy Corvette. Z50, I think it was a Z51. Yeah, Z51 edition. Sorry guys, I paused for a second. I had to make sure. It's got stock converters there and there. Then secondary converters somewhere under this heat shield or cover. Then it's got 3-inch pipe all the way back. And what we did on it is a rear muffler delete. There and there. There's the mufflers that were on it right there. We cut them off and put quad tips on it, new ones, because it looks better with them. You know, why do an exhaust if you don't change the tips? So that's the only thing you see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Corvette Z51 edition. What's special about the Z51? Ooh, baby. Much better. Now it sounds like a Corvette. Sound decibels? 116, bro. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds awesome. You want to keep the old muffler? I don't know how you're going to haul them. I'll show them to you in a second.
I'll keep it just in case I need.
Yeah, it's too loud. Yeah. Yeah, those tips looks a lot better on it too. They fit it nicely. Chevy Corvette. Love the sound of that. It's so deep, man. I love that. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Corvette. Beautiful white color. Just a beautiful car. I love cars. Any color, any shape, any size. As long as it sounds good, customer's happy, we're happy. Look at that. Look at that stance. That's beautiful. Here we go. Hopefully he'll get on it. We'll see.